Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete a playlist on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find your notifications. Right here, you're going to find your friend activity, and right here, you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on it, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to access your account settings. Right here, you're going to find profile. You can upgrade to premium. Then you're going to find the option to start a private session. You can go to your settings. And lastly, right here, you can log out from your Spotify account. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, search section. Here, you're going to find the option to expand your library. And right here, you're going to find all of the playlists that you have. So right now, go ahead and click on expand your library. Then here, you're going to find this playlist list. Go ahead and click on any playlist that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to go to this playlist. Once you're here in the playlist, you're going to find the list that includes all of the songs in the playlist. Here at the top, you're going to find the option to play this playlist. Here you're going to find the option to enable shuffle for the playlist. You can download the playlist, invite collaborators. If you click on these three dots, here you're going to find add to queue, remove from profile, edit details, delete, download, make private, invite collaborators, exclude from your taste profile, move to folders, add to other playlists, and lastly, share this playlist. So go ahead and click on delete. Then you're going to find this confirmation message. Go ahead and click on delete again. Then the playlist will be deleted. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.